Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, y'all, let's start off with our ribs. Now, hey, I don't know what's going on in your neck of the woods, but I ain't been able to get very good ribs here lately. They ain't been looking that good. But anyway, let's cut this rib tip part off. And hey, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And once we get that rib tip part cut off, let's go ahead and get rid of this membrane. Now, my opinion on this membrane is that if you leave it on, your seasoning ain't gonna get through, and it gives you a kind of funny chew. But you know, the choice is up to you. You don't really have to remove it if you don't want to. But see, this part here, I consider that kind of the rib tip too, so we gonna get rid of him too. And then we gonna get rid of all this bad fat here. Go ahead and cut that on off. Now once we get that cut off, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut our rib in half. That way it'll fit in my sous vide machine properly. Now, the reason that I sous vide this is because it makes it more tender. Now I know you can just go ahead and cut them up and fry them right now, but to me it's more tender if you sous vide it first. Now we're gonna use Uncle Steve's shake on here to season it up. We using that thick meat too, y'all. That thick meat. Uncle Steve. You know he be doing this thing with them seasonings too, y'all. Uncle Steve be doing this thing. But anyway, back to the recipe. Now once we get it all seasoned up, let's go ahead and get it into our sous vide bags. Now once again, I sous vide this for that tenderness, y'all. Sometimes you bite into that fried rib and that bad boy tough. If you sous vide it won't be. But anyway, let's go ahead and set off sous vide machine for 2 hours at 140 degrees. And let's get it on in that water bath, y'all. Let's get it in that bath. Now we're gonna add our vegetable oil to a cast iron skillet, and this is what our ribs look like once they come out that sous vide machine and we get them cut up. Guess what, y'all? We gonna get them into some plain flour, not seasoned flour, because we already got to season up with that Uncle Steve. So let's go ahead and get them into our oil. And oh yeah, don't you love to hear that oil frying some good meat up? Oh my goodness. Always let you know something good finna be on your plate. Something good, y'all. Something good. Now, you know, like I say, you know, we sous vide these, so hey, these already done, y'all, for real. You know, I didn't cook them to a temp where they'll be all the way done because I knew I was gonna fry them. But at the same time, we really just cooking this flour, y'all. Cooking this flour. We just trying to get it brown, y'all. Just trying to get that flour brown. So once them ribs start getting that color that you like, that golden brown, let's go ahead and get these ribs out, y'all. And guess what? It's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. So let's go ahead and plate it up. Now with mine, I cooked me some mashed potatoes. And I also cut me some red cherry tomatoes in half and threw some balsamic vinegar on them with some fresh basil and some olive oil. Oh my goodness, they were so tasty, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.